My name is Dwayne Frankel and I'm a structural engineer here at Ash. So what that encompasses is sort of everything right down from concept design, structural engineering, so engineering the actual connections, right through to doing the drafting and writing cutter paths, and right through to construction engineering on site to make sure everything goes together safely. Mass timber fixings can be broken down into three main categories. One is screws just by themselves, and another one would be proprietary off-the-shelf items that fix with screws, and failing that we do completely custom fabricated brackets. So obviously the first two we just purchase in, the third we do our own design and or get it manufactured per other people's design and get that made, painted and fixed here on site. We try and do as much pre-assembly of brackets as we can on site here at Ash, so that everything's done in an enclosed environment and it's done as much as it can. When it gets to site, there's not very much space and it's out in the weather. It's much better if all of the parts can come to site as finished as they possibly can be, and then all just get put into place and it's covered up as quickly as possible. Most mass timber connections have got some kind of metal connection, and when the architect doesn't want to have that as a feature, or if say we need extra timber on the outside as a char fire rating protection for the steel inside, then what we need to do is put cover plates and plugs to close off and hide the fasteners. The way that this is done is we try wherever we can to use offcuts from the actual main beams. This way that it matches the material perfectly, and it's a product that would otherwise go to waste. As far as making the jigs and fixtures are concerned, there's a few options. We use laser cutting and 3D printing at the moment. The benefits of 3D printing is it's very accurate and it can be very quick to get something out and produced. And if that something doesn't work, it's not like another couple of weeks. You just make a couple of tweaks, print it out, and you can really fine tune what you need to do and get the production accurate.